Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Claude Tag to Slack. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find the Claude app inside Slack and begin adding it to your workspace. This is a simple process, but taking it slowly makes it easier to follow, especially if you don't often install apps in Slack. To begin, open Slack and go into the channel shown for your workspace. Once you're inside Slack, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Slack keeps your channels, direct messages, and the section for apps and agents. In that left sidebar, look for the three-dot menu connected to the Agents and Apps area. Click that three-dot icon to open more options. This menu helps you access items that may not already be pinned or visible in the main sidebar, so it's a useful place to go whenever you need to manage integrations. After the menu opens, click Browse Apps. This takes you to Slack's app directory, where you can search for tools and integrations that work inside your workspace. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the search area is fully visible. Once you're in the app directory, click into the search field and type Claude. Be sure to spell it carefully so the correct result appears. As you type, Slack may start showing matching apps automatically. When you see Claude in the results, click on it to open the app page. This page usually includes basic information about the app, what it does, and the permissions or setup options involved. Taking a quick look here can help confirm that you've selected the correct app before moving forward. Next, click Add to Slack. This starts the installation flow. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Depending on your workspace settings, Slack may ask you to review permissions, confirm access, or get approval from an administrator before the app is fully added. As you move through the prompts, read each screen carefully so you understand what is being connected. If your organization has restrictions on app installations, you may need to wait for approval before the app becomes available. And that's it. Once the setup is complete, Claude will be added through Slack's app flow, and you can continue using it according to your workspace's permissions and configuration. Thanks for watching this guide on how to add Claude Tag to Slack.